Hello everyone, today is a little bit of a different video. As you can see, we are going to decorate the rest of our house for Christmas. If I don't get it done now, it will not get done. And we're gonna clean up in the process because my house is a mess. So let's get started.
So this honestly is just going to be very short and just something fun that I thought I would throw together, show you a little kind of vloggy style version of a video on my channel. We are currently renting this home. If you are new to my channel, we moved in the beginning of September from Arizona to Utah. And so we are just renting a home for a year until we find a home or we build a home or whatever the case may be. But I just wanted to put some decorations up because I felt like, I wanted that Christmas and holiday spirit at the same time while not getting out every single piece of Christmas decor that I own, because I'm just going to have to pack it back up and move it again. So why not, not do that? Not try to search for everything and try to find everything, get it all out, put it all up, put it away. This sounds just exhausting. So I just got out a couple of my Christmas bins that I could find and got some things out and put them up around my home. Is anybody else like me where you're in a temporary situation and the thought of, just decorating your home and making it look really nice just doesn't sound as appealing as it is if you owned your home or you were staying there for a long period of time or, indefinitely. I don't know why the feeling is just different from how I felt decorating my home in Arizona versus how I feel decorating my home here. Anybody else the same? I don't know what it is. Obviously, I want my home to be holiday festive and nice, and my kids love helping to decorate, so I figured I would get a little bit put up so that our house felt a little bit more cozy. So our tree is a disaster. You can see the ribbon is falling off. My son likes to go and pull on the ribbon and try to pull it off, which is also why all the ornaments are on the top half of the tree where he cannot pull them down. So I've just come to the conclusion that it's just going to be this way. I'm in a season of little kids where everything is just kind of harder. So not having that beautiful, perfect Christmas decor and where my house looks like a model home, that's just not reality for me. It's not realistic. This is my version of Christmas decorating for my home. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think down below. One day in the future, I will have a gorgeous tree and a gorgeously decorated home for Christmas. But for now, I'm going to enjoy my kid-friendly version and enjoy having my kids help me put my decorations up. Also, we just launched some Christmas stocking tags over on our website. If you guys want to check them out, I'll have a link in my description box, but they come in all sorts of different kinds of shapes. Regular tag shapes, you have a Christmas tree shape, you've got a snowflake one, even one for your pets so that you can have little name tags on all your stockings. So I will leave that in my description box below. If you guys are interested, you can check them out. You can paint them the way that you want to paint them and have them look exactly the way that you want them to. So I will leave that in my description box below.
All right, well, I think this is probably as good as it's going to get. I feel like I come to the conclusion that since I have such little kids, my house is not going to be perfectly decorated. I can only decorate, half of my shelf thing so that my kids aren't pulling decorations down and breaking them. So I don't think I will ever be that perfect house with the perfectly decorated home for the holidays until my kids are older. And even then it's not gonna be perfect. So I'm learning to just enjoy the child-friendly decorating until my youngest is at least 5, which will be 3 more years. So until then, this is what I'm gonna get. And it's gonna be fun. And we'll remember the halfway decorated tree and all that fun stuff like that. So let me show you what I did It's not a lot, but I think it's perfect for our house and for the kind of kids that we've got. So here we go. That's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like vlog style videos, let me know, because my husband is actually starting a vlog channel for our family. If you guys want to check that out, he'll have his first video linked in the description box below. So if you want to see more of my crazy kids that weren't in this video very much, because somehow I lost everybody like 10 minutes in. They all disappeared. It's up to mom to decorate. Then you can watch that video. Again, I'll link it down in the description box. If you guys like vlog style videos, I think it's really fun. And you guys get to see a little bit more into my family and what goes on in my day-to-day crazy life with 3 kids. It's insane. Don't forget to subscribe before you guys leave. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.